In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tickets from Ticketmaster to Stubhub. If you've sold tickets on Stubhub and need to deliver them through Ticketmaster, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. The key is to make sure your listing is sold first, then use the buyer information provided by Stubhub to transfer the correct tickets from your Ticketmaster account. To begin, go to Stubhub and sign into your account. Once you're in, create a ticket listing for your event if you haven't already done that. After the listing is live, you'll need to wait until the tickets are purchased. This part is important because you should only transfer the tickets after the sale has been completed and the buyer information is available in your account. Once the tickets have sold, stay in Stubhub and open the My Sales section. From there, select the completed sale. You should see the buyer's delivery information for that order. Make a note of the buyer's email address exactly as it appears. Accuracy matters here, because entering the wrong email during the transfer could send the tickets to the wrong person and create delays. Next, open Ticketmaster either on the website or in the app and sign into the account that holds the tickets you sold. After signing in, go to My Events and open the event tied to that sale. On the event page, look for the Transfer Tickets option and select it. If you don't see a transfer option, keep in mind that some events do not allow transfers. That restriction is set by the event organizer, not by Stubhub or Ticketmaster. So if the button is missing or unavailable, that may be the reason. If transfers are allowed, select the specific ticket or tickets that were sold. Then enter the buyer's email address exactly as provided by Stubhub. Before sending anything, review the transfer details carefully to make sure you've chosen the correct event and seat locations. When everything looks right, click Transfer or Send to complete the delivery. After that, go back to your Stubhub account, open the sold order, and confirm that you've transferred the tickets if Stubhub prompts you to do so. This helps update the order status and lets Stubhub know the delivery has been completed on your end. Finally, Stubhub will verify that the transfer went through successfully. Once the transaction is fully completed, your payout will be processed according to Stubhub's payment schedule. So that's how to transfer tickets from Ticketmaster to Stubhub safely and correctly.